Did you know that until 1874, the local municipality of Sutera still didn't have a cemetery? In 1873, the prefect of Caltanissetta wrote to the municipality of Sutera ordering it to provide itself with a cemetery, since up until then, burials had taken place in churches. The municipality, which in the meantime had become the owner of the area adjacent to the Capuchin Friars Convent, identified the location for the construction of the cemetery in that area, called Selva, which is still known today as La Sirvia.
Therefore, he presented the project concerning an area of 2,500 square meters, 50 by 50 meters, based on an average of 100 deaths per year, with a rotation of the remains approximately every 10 years. At first, given the urgent nature of the situation, the so-called provisional cemetery was built behind the church and the convent. It was inaugurated and blessed by the parish priest on January 23, 1874, while awaiting the construction of the definitive one.
In reality, the plan to build a permanent cemetery would only be resumed at the end of the First World War, resulting in the provisional cemetery effectively becoming the permanent one. Thus, the caretaker's quarters and the mortuary would be built. Very little would remain of the original plan, since neither the construction of a small church, which was later replaced by that of the Capuchin Friars, nor the erection of a wooden cross about 4 meters high at the end of the avenue would be carried out.
Le tombe antiche proprie sono quelle a piramide, che ci sono quelle a piramide, perciò c'hanno quelle dei primi sono stati, può essere 90-100 anni fa.
If you like the video, give it a like.
Share it. And hit the follow button so you don't miss our next videos.